900 horsepower, 4.5 liter, and we also have a special exhaust on this, and the sound is great. Nice and juicy. Push. Whoa! How do you like this Brabus Symphony? It's just like a toy for rich people.
Unleashing the beast, the 900 HP Brabus XLP Rocket. Brabus XLP Rocket idling, engine revving in the background. Welcome, automotive enthusiasts, to an adrenaline-fueled adventure. Today, we're diving into the heart of automotive extravagance with the 900 horsepower Brabus XLP Rocket. This is not just a vehicle, it's a masterpiece on wheels, a symphony of power and design. Join us as we embark on a POV drive, exploring every inch of this remarkable machine and immersing ourselves in the lavish interior ambiance. Exterior prowess, designing the rocket. Brabus XLP. Rocket exterior. Let's start by feasting our eyes on the exterior of the XLP rocket. Brabus, renowned for pushing the limits of automotive design, has transformed the already powerful Mercedes-Benz G-Class into a true beast. The rocket boasts a wider stance, carbon fiber accents, and aggressive lines that scream performance. The bespoke Brabus monoblock wheels, massive brakes, and the unmistakable rocket logo announce that this is not your average G-Wagon. 900 horsepower. Unleashed, the heart of the rocket, the engine bay and the XLP rocket in motion. Now, let's talk about what truly makes the XLP rocket soar, its heart. Under the hood lies a Brabus-tuned 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine, producing a mind-boggling 900 horsepower. The XLP can accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in a blink and you'll miss it time. It's not just a vehicle, it's a rocket on the road. And today, we're about to experience that power firsthand. Soundcheck. The roar of the rocket, XLP. Rocket revving its engine. Before we hit the road, let's indulge in a soundcheck. The roar of the XLP rocket's engine is not just a noise, it's a thunderous symphony of power. Brabus engineers have fine-tuned the exhaust system to deliver an auditory experience that matches the vehicle's performance. Buckle up and let's listen to the growl of the 900 horsepower beast. Sequence of the XLP rocket, revving its engine with dynamic, interior ambiance, luxurious comfort in motion. XLP rocket. Interior? Stepping inside the XLP rocket is like entering a realm of opulence. The interior is a fusion of high-performance aesthetics and luxurious comfort. Bespoke leather upholstery, carbon fiber accents, and Alcantara detailing create an ambience that's both sporty and refined. The Brabus emblem is proudly displayed, reminding occupants that they're in a vehicle crafted with precision and passion. POV drive, experiencing the rocket's power. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the POV drive of the Brabus XLP rocket. With 900 horsepower at our disposal, every press of the accelerator promises an exhilarating experience. The adaptive suspension system ensures a smooth ride, while the precise steering and responsive handling make the XLP rocket feel like an extension of the driver's will. XLP rocket in various driving scenarios. Rocket in action. Conquering terrain with ease off-road scenes and the XLP rocket in challenging environments. The XLP rocket is not just a street performer, it's a versatile off-road machine. With its advanced 4-wheel drive system, high ground clearance, and off-road tires, this rocket can conquer any terrain with ease. From city streets to rugged trails, the XLP is ready to unleash its power wherever the road may lead. Conclusion: the Brabus XLP Rocket, a symphony of power and luxury. As we bring our journey to a close, it's evident that the Brabus XLP Rocket is more than just a vehicle. It's a work of art, a harmonious blend of power, design, and luxury. From the thunderous sound of its engine to the opulence of its interior, the XLP Rocket is a celebration of automotive excellence. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating ride. And until next time, stay tuned for more adventures in the world of high-performance automobiles.